Understanding jackhammer in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore the term jackhammer. If you've ever walked past a construction site, you might have heard and felt the intense vibrations of a jackhammer at work. But is that all there is to this word? Let's find out together. Jackhammer is a compound word, combining jack, which can mean to lift or increase, and hammer, a tool for pounding or smashing. A jackhammer is a powerful tool used by construction workers to break up concrete and pavement. It is known for its loud, rattling noise and vigorous, rapid hammering action. Think of it as a supercharged drill that uses rapid bursts of force to pulverize solid materials. While a jackhammer is certainly a piece of construction equipment, the term has found its way into everyday language as well. When someone says they have a headache, like a jackhammer, they mean that it's intense and pounding, mimicking the relentless noise and vibration of a jackhammer. Another example could be if someone's heart is pounding like a jackhammer, suggesting a very fast and strong heartbeat, often because of nervousness or excitement. Beyond the literal and everyday uses, jackhammer can be used metaphorically. For instance, if a speaker's words are described as a jackhammer, it implies that their words are powerful, direct, and maybe a little bit jarring, just like the machine's impact. It can denote a forceful influence or action that breaks through metaphorical hardness or resistance, similar to how a jackhammer breaks through concrete. And that's a wrap on the term jackhammer. Whether it's shaking the ground on a construction site or shaking up our language with its metaphorical uses, the jackhammer has certainly made its mark. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of this dynamic term. Keep listening and learning, and you'll be constructing sentences like a pro in no time. Until our next video, keep practicing and stay curious.